What's going on, everybody? This is Dave from Steel City Drones Flight Academy. Today, I'm very excited to talk about what Steel City Drones has been doing behind the scenes for the past 3 to 4 or 5 months. So we have really been trying to go ahead and really ramp up our on-site training services. So we do on-site training anywhere in the United States. So what we have now is our brand new mobile training command vehicle that we're taking everywhere with us. That way we can train public safety, energy, utility companies, anybody who needs comprehensive training. We can really do it the right way. So when we do on-site training, we go a lot beyond just stick commands and learning how to fly. We teach everybody how to properly do site missions the right way. So for us, we always recommend that for the most safest, most efficient manner possible, we want to have flight missions where we can have a dedicated pilot, a dedicated camera operator, and any amount of visual observers that might be needed afterwards. So that's what we do with our training. So after we go ahead and get through the comprehensive flight training and the flight exercises, get everybody up to speed, we have a full day of what's called tactical applications and or just applied commercial flying. What we do real life simulated training missions and really show them how to be able to use drones as the most effective tool possible. So we have a dedicated pilot that's outdoors and they're just watching the drone and doing everything for their pilot duties. Then what we do is we come in here and we bring a dedicated camera operator inside here, and then they're inside on a very nice large monitor and a very controlled atmosphere, and they can concentrate on everything that they need. So part of our training also includes communication protocols and really teaching positive communication, where what's ever said through the mics and through the headsets is repeated back by the team. You know, a lot of our public safety agencies, first step is to buy the drone. After that, they're going to say, okay, well, they realize that the 5-inch monitor is not big enough. Nobody can really do effective missions the right way through a very small 5-inch monitor. And it really shows a public safety agency as they start with a drone program that's just buying the equipment. It really is allowing them to see exactly what they need to do as the next step to be able to go ahead and take their drone program to the next level. And that includes something like a command vehicle that they're going to need. We also have 32-inch portable displays that we're also taking on to our flying locations that we can demonstrate the apps and the flight missions in the most effective way possible. We have a separate video for that as well that you can check on our YouTube channel. But that's everything that we're about to show you now. So let's go ahead and go indoors and I'll show you around. So what we did was we built this van so that we can fit 5 people comfortably for our advanced ground school classes. And this is where we're going to do all of our flight planning and develop a risk mitigation strategy. We're going to go ahead and talk to and set up the visual observers, give them responsibilities. We're all going to be on wireless communication through our AirTech headsets. So what we have the ability to do is actually have 2 different stations right here for drone operators. Right now you'll see this is a Matrice 300 that's in the air. So right now I can be the camera operator, the pilot's outside, and we're all communicating wirelessly to the visual observers. So we're all now like an effective 3, 4, or 5 person operation that we can really do efficient planning. Up here, this can be anything that we want it to be. So right now it's hooked up to my laptop to radar for the weather, so we can have a second person. You'll see right notice we have a Mavic Advanced also in the air, and this could be a separate person in here. So we can't actually have a pilot inside here, but right now this could be another M300 or any aircraft that has dual operator control for where we can have a dedicated camera operator in here. Same thing up here, we can have weather, we can have anything on the internet, whatever we need for the most efficient flight planning. Up here, this is our weather station. So outside we have a dedicated weather station that we have up on a pole. So this is actual location weather data that we can use. This will also go to an app on our phone, give us text alerts if we ever need that. But that's going to give us everything that we need as far as weather on site. In the back of the van, We have a 65-inch display, so we can actually have more people on the outside than the 5 people on the inside that can be monitoring, seeing what's going on in the air. Again, this could be switched to any of the drones that are in the air or any of the inputs that we have. Over here is our portable weather station, and this gives us actual weather data on site without guessing, without determining what's 4 or 5 miles away at a local airport. There's no guessing involved here. This gives us actual data. And then over here is our portable monitor station that we use. This is a really important part of our training that we use on site, because it is so hard when we're trying to train students to be able to show them what's on a 5-inch display with the flight app. So this allows us to be able to show them that exactly, what's everything in the app, where all the settings are and everything. And again, it's a nice ultra bright display. We actually had a monitor manufacturer custom make us some monitors. You can see how bright this monitor really is. And this allows us, again, to be able to bring in 7, 8 people all the way around this monitor. And then I can go in here and say everything about all of the sub-menu settings and everything in the flight app that we need to show them. So that's everything that we got going on with our on-site training. We're super excited to be able to bring all these services now to our on-site trainings. If you have any questions about what we do, or you want to talk more about seeing us to be able to come out to your location and train your people on site, please look on the graphics below. Reach out to us. We'll be glad to talk to you. So thanks again for watching. Until next time, we'll talk to you soon.